Dividing fractions. In a question like the one that you see right now on the screen, 3/4 divided by 6/8, there are very simple steps, 3 simple steps that you need to do in order to be able to divide fractions. All right, the first step over here, as you see, which is colored in orange, let me just first fix here the size and the color. All right, the first one here is to bring down the first fraction as it is. So the first fraction, which is before the division sign, just bring it down as it is to become just a 3/4, the same. All right, here, the second step is to turn the division sign into multiplication. This is the second step. So first step, bring the first fraction, which is before the division sign, down as it is without any changes. The second step, bring down the division sign to become multiplication. All right, the third step, if you remember what we said in class, so we call it the reciprocal. All right, the reciprocal of any fraction means to turn that fraction upside down. So the 6, it's here up, you put it down there, and the 8 is down, you put it up there. So it becomes here 8/6. This is the meaning of reciprocal. Now, as you see, it has become multiplying fractions. It's just a normal multiplication question that we have been practicing for more than a week, multiplying fractions. As all of you know, the first step is to simplify, then multiply. All right, so simplifying this, any numerator, as we agreed before, with any denominator. The 3 with the 4, can we simplify it? Definitely not. All right, how do we know this? As we agreed before, you ask yourself a simple question. In which times table can we find 3 and 4 together? 3 and 4 is not in any of the times tables together. What I mean is that both of them are not together in one of the times tables that we know of. All right, so here, what about 3 and 6? Yes, both of them are in the 3 times table. We can divide both of them by 3. Here is a numerator with a denominator. All right, so what we need to do is to divide 3 by 3 gives us 1, divide 6 by 3 gives us 2. All right, what about here, this fraction? Well, someone might go for dividing or simplifying 8 with 4, and someone else might choose to simplify the 8 with the 2. Both of you guys are going to be correct. So just as long as you're simplifying any numerator with any denominator, you are going to reach the right answer, the correct final answer. So here, I'm going to choose, for example, here dividing this by 4, which is 1, dividing this by 4, which is 2. All right, Mr. You asked us to simplify, then we multiply. Well, yeah, but we haven't simplified till the end yet. We can simplify more. 2 and 2, we can simplify them by dividing by 2 again. So dividing by 2 becomes 1. Dividing by 2 here becomes 1. Well, then now there is nothing that we can simplify anymore. As you see, it's going to be 1 multiplied by 1, which is just 1, and 1 multiplied by 1 is another 1, which is 1 over 1. What does 1 over? Well, it's just 1. Exactly. 1 is just 1. And here is the answer. Thank you. If you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to text me either on Google Classroom or ClassDojo. Bye-bye.